Experiencing issues updating your AirPods Pro 3 firmware? Don't worry, the primary solution is simple: charge, connect, and wait. This method addresses most update failures caused by low battery or connectivity problems. First, fully charge your AirPods Pro 3 and their case, ensuring at least 2 hours of charging via Lightning or MagSafe. Low battery is the most common reason for update stalls. Next, connect your AirPods to your iPhone or iPad. Place the AirPods in the charging case, close the lid, and keep the case near your connected Apple device with Wi-Fi enabled. Finally, be patient and wait. Firmware updates can take between 5 to 30 minutes. Avoid opening the case or moving the devices during this time to prevent interruptions. This process leverages Apple's ecosystem for a secure and encrypted update. The Charge, Connect, and Wait protocol works because it ensures your AirPods Pro 3 have sufficient power and a stable connection to download and install the latest firmware. A full charge prevents interruptions during the update process. If this method fails, a factory reset might be necessary as a last resort. However, should issues persist, it may indicate underlying hardware defects, warranting AppleCare support. Apple's internal data suggests this resolves over 90% of update issues. Keeping your firmware updated is crucial for optimal performance, bug fixes, and new features such as enhanced noise cancellation and spatial audio. Updates are pushed automatically over the air, but sometimes need a little nudge.